Good morning, everybody. It's 8:36 on Wednesday morning, April 22nd. I just want to run through the charts of gold and the S&P and what I think is unfolding in the next couple days and kind of what we're looking for here. So if we take a look at this Kitco overlay chart, there really isn't a whole lot of price action moving together here. It's rather kind of broken. Each day is trading individually. A lot of days they will track almost perfect with each other, or however they move. But today there really isn't any relationship there that's standing out to me. And what we can see here just from the charts is I'm pretty much all the days have gone sideways from this point on. There's the 9:30, 10 o'clock usually spike or sell off. Other than that, the markets are going to be pretty much flat for the rest of the day. So that's what I'm looking at gold. But I'll just jump in here and show you the daily chart of gold here. What I'm looking for, and what I have been looking for, if we are to play a short play, I'm looking for a retrace into the head and shoulders. We had the shoulder, the head here, and shoulder, and we caught the downdraft. And what I'm looking for is actually a drift up into the middle of the head and shoulders here. And if it could get up to this level, depending on what the volume's doing and what the cycles are doing down here, it could give us a good setup for the ABC retrace, and then of course gold will take off. So in short, if we were to look over here as an example, we had a mini head and shoulders in here, and right now we're trading right about here. So what I want to see is a push right up into near the top of the head, and then we'll get the third wave down it's A, B, C, and then you get the next move up. And of course it's the same as what happened over here. We ended up getting a pullback and it drifted right back up. Didn't go quite as deep, but it did get in there. So that's what I'm looking for. And right now the market, gold really hasn't tested deep enough for me to be comfortable. It did go right underneath here to a resistance level, but key resistance is pretty much around this level, and that's a big difference if you can get an opportunity here. Right now it's floating in the middle of this move, so it's a 50-50 chance. It could go up, it could go down. It's 50-50 is not worth betting any money on, that's for sure. So I'm just going to let it play out, and we'll see which way the next setup is. Right now we do have the longer blue cycle here. It's heading down. We do have the short-term cycle turning up. So with that short-term cycle turning up, we might get that push into this resistance level to form the next wave, and we might have a shorting opportunity to catch some pullback, which will more or less be pretty solid right into a support level across here, and that would give us a rally for higher prices. So that's what I'm looking for gold. If I just pull up the intraday chart, you'll be able to just zoom out a bit here. Okay, so of course here's the head and shoulders. We had the breakdown, and now we're getting this kind of funny angle drift up. It just kind of drifts and works its way up, just like what we had here. So what I'm looking for again is a rally up into the 1155 area, possibly 1150, but I'm looking more 1155. I see that level as a key resistance level, and we'll just have to play it by ear and see what happens there. Okay, so if we pull in here's the S&P. This is the daily chart. I'm using the SPY here. I might as well throw in the futures. Okay, so here is the daily chart of the S&P, and where I think we're at right now is we're right here. That's where I feel we are. The market is pretty extreme. We've got two large cycles down here rolling over, so that's going to start to put downward pressure on it. we have had the first big wave of selling here, and I have a feeling it could have been this wave right here, or possibly this one. Um, that's what I'm looking at right now. So we'll just have to play it by ear again and just see what happens. We need a proper setup. We need some type of topping pattern on an intraday chart for us to go short again up here. If the market does extend and continue to rally, we might have an overbought condition, and we might actually short on a strong rally up, pushing things to an extreme. And so we'll just have to watch that. But today, I don't think there's going to be anything going on today that is tradable. I think everything is at least tomorrow or Friday before anything really unfolds. So take it easy, and I'll talk to you guys in the chat room. Talk to you later. Bye.